Hi all, welcome again to the blockchain tutorial series. The agenda of this tutorial is to talk about the mining process of a blockchain. I know that I have been breaking the flow of the tutorial with respect to the previous tutorial. However, I feel that the knowledge of blockchain mining process is very important. So before we advance further in the tutorial, we will spend some time to talk about the blockchain mining concepts, and this would enhance our understanding and the learning process. And then we will return to the main topic of the blockchain once we have a reasonably good understanding on the blockchain mining process. And these concepts I will connect to the main topic of the blockchain. So let's get started on blockchain mining process. So I'm sure that you must be aware about the concept of mining in general, right? So mining is done to extract some mineral from the earth. The picture on this slide show a typical mine in Australia. Similar to the physical mine, the digital world in the digital world the mining also exists. So that is called the digital mining. So like a physical mining, obviously the main motivation behind the digital mining is the profit. Now, if I connect the word digital mining with the blockchain word, then a popular word comes out that you might have heard, that is a blockchain mining. So you may have a question that what is the blockchain mining? Why would somebody mines blockchain? Why is the blockchain mining necessary? So let me try to answer this question in couple of tutorials. So I will try to answer this question with my best ability one by one. Okay, so let's get started. So so why would somebody mine blockchain, right? So the obvious answer is the money. Okay, one can make money by mining blockchain, but how much a miner can earn? So when the answer depends entirely on miners' mining capacity. So for the digital mining requires some resources such as a computation resources such as hardware or like a computer computation power, cooling system cooling system, electricity, as well as the maintenance. The more powerful your mining setup is, the more your mining capacity will be, the more money you can make, right? So the miners are paid in a Bitcoin. To just to give you an idea, uh, what is the just to give you an idea, this particular slide is showing the probability of the mining of one Bitcoin. So uh, you can see that the probability of mining of one Bitcoin is very significant, and per country this earning is very. So mining Bitcoin is very lucrative business, right? So um, so organization had understood this particular thing, this business, and therefore various organizations have set up a dedicated mining sites across the world. So for your reference, I'm showing in the following slide, I'm going to show some mining operation sites in the world. So let me show you some slides and some mining sites for the blockchain mining. So this is a blockchain mining site in Mongolia. So the Bitmain Industrial Park mining complex is the largest mining facility in the world, and the mining operation consists of 25k machines that process to 250k USD worth of Bitcoin daily. Second examples of site from the gigawatt. So the Washington-based state-based gigawatt mining facility is among the largest in the North America, and the super mining. This facility incorporates just over 1,700 GPUs to perform mining operation. And third examples of mining site, Bitcoin mining, blockchain mining site is from Bitfury from Georgia. So Bitfury is one of the leading full-service blockchain technology company in the world, and the Bitfury mining facility in Georgia utilizes the naturally cold climate of Georgia to reduce the operating cost and keep the mining rigs running. So so far, so in this particular tutorial, so far what we understood, what we uh, get, we understood some basic of uh, blockchain mining. Although there are many questions or concepts need to be learned regarding blockchain mining. So in the following tutorial, we will continue learning on these concepts. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.